It's Sunday, November 9th, 2013, and we're at Raleigh's Durant Nature Park, and we're taking a picture here of the small lake within that park. Colors aren't quite what they were last week. It's a little past peak now. A little earlier this year than recent years. It's Thursday, November 14th, 2013, and we're at the Durant Nature Park, and we're walking along the Secret Creek Trail. Secret because not too many people know about it, and it's really kind of a little bit out of the way. But it's kind of interesting little trail. A few minutes ago, my wife saw some deer ambling along the trail. There's a little more of the secret trail. Pretty little stream here. Hasn't rained in a while, so not a lot of water flowing.